save the rest.
The rest, yeah.
So we go to the zoo, and we can save the rest too.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to go to the zoo.
And then we want to have some with us.
That's what is going to. It's still morning. We
Yeah.
can go out to the zoo.
Yeah.
And we can eat these in the packet.
Okay.
Whatever you want.
Okay.
Yum 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 yum.
Those are good. They look like brownies.
They look like one, but they taste so.
They taste pretty good too.
What's the other one?
Right? Did they fall?
One is filled.
Oh yeah. I see it. I have it.
Yeah.
There you go.
No need to put it.
Mm-hmm.
Yum 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 yum. This one's a round one.
No, it doesn't matter. This one is fine. You just get the brown lid for it.
Then we.
Yeah. And then we have the purple